Are you facing with issues when you manually update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, such as your iPhone getting stuck on the ready to update screen? This can happen because there might be a software or hardware issue. In this video, we will introduce the 6 methods to solve iPhone stuck on preparing update. Method 1. Force quit the settings app. It's also possible that the settings app isn't working properly. Hence, force quitting the settings app is also a good solution whenever your iPhone update gets stuck preparing for the update. Method 2. Check iPhone storage. Downloading and installing iPhone updates requires sufficient storage space on your iPhone. If you don't have enough space on your iPhone, you will cause your iPhone to get stuck in an update. Therefore, you need to check iPhone storage and free up iPhone space. Method 3. Ensure a strong Wi-Fi network. If your iPhone isn't connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, it might take longer than usual to prepare for the update. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a secure and stable network. Method 4. Use Joyoshare UltFix iOS System Recovery. Joyoshare UltFix iOS System Recovery is a very professional iOS system repair software. Whether you encounter iPhone stuck on preparing update, or iPhone stuck on setting up Apple ID, and other 150 common iOS faults, you can rely on this tool to solve the problems without any data loss. First, launch Joyoshare UltFix on the computer. Next, plug your iPhone to the computer, and put your iPhone into the DFU mode. After that, choose iOS System Repair option to proceed, and then press the Start button to begin. You are now in the mode selection window. There are 2 modes available for you. Here we select the Standard mode. Then some of the info about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Make sure all the info is correct, and change the wrong parts. Then press the Download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the Start Standard Repair button. The downloaded firmware package will be unzipped, and the program will start to fix your iPhone issue. A few minutes later, the repairing process will finish, and your iPhone will come back to the normal. Method 5. Delete the downloaded update file. Click General in Settings. Select the option called iPhone Storage. Navigate to your update file, click on it, and select Delete Update. After completely removing the update files for the device. Finally, re-download the update to your iPhone. Method 6. Restore iPhone via recovery mode. This type of restore erases and reloads all code on the iPhone, returning it to factory defaults. We strongly recommend that you save a backup of your information before restoring your iPhone.